I just got back to the shop picking up these two outboard motors. There's a Honda 30. Seems to look good, but I don't know if these run. I'll put them on the stand today and I'll let you guys know. Let's go look at this Evinrude. Look at this Evinrude. It's Evinrude 60 horsepower. Doesn't look that bad. Feels like it has good compression. I'm gonna pull them off right now.
Let's do a compression test.
I'm pulling off these coil wires just to make sure I don't
Now I'm removing power from the coil.
zap myself. Okay, and just pull them off. Grab yours.
Ready? Let's go.
Let me check compression. Cylinder 1. Good.
Cylinder number 1. Cylinder number 2. Cylinder number 3.
And we're looking like it's at 90 psi.
Now, will it start?
Well, guys, I just unloaded this Honda BF30, but I'm going to show you where the problem is. I don't think we're going to do a compression test today on this one. Do you see the problem yet? It's bam. Whew.
Thanks for watching, and if you need parts, check out our site.